Hello there, guys. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Today I am reviewing the Stouffer's Cheese Lovers Lasagna. Freshly made pasta layered between a blend of 5 cheeses and a seasoned tomato sauce. No preservatives. A large size, 50% more cheese. I love cheese, y'all. I love cheese. It is 270 calories, 4 grams of fat, 700 milligrams of sodium. That sounds like a lot, y'all. 7 grams of total sugars, 13% of protein, 270 of calcium. So that's what it looks like. This looks like it's a nice amount in here. So when I went to the store, I said, cheese lovers, that sounds like me. Lasagna sounds like me. So I have to try this. So I'm gonna warm it up now and I'll come back and I will tell you all whether I like this or not. Okay. So y'all, I warmed it up. Let me get with this cheese, Stouffer's Cheese Lovers lasagna. I love lasagna. So let me get a good taste, good amount on this fork. Put some cheese up there. Oh, the cheese is falling off. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's it. That is it, guys. Let's see. It's not exactly like Mama's, but let me tell you, I like this. I like this. And like I said, you're getting a nice amount, but this is good. Now, I would have preferred to have I should have put it in the stove, in the oven. Let me see. Yeah, you can put this in the stove, and I think it would have tasted a whole lot better. It's good though. 270 calories. But then they're saying per container is 600. That's a little misleading, I guess. Oh gosh. Let me drink my iced tea. The sauce, they could have used a better tasting sauce because the sauce tastes a bit like, I'm not gonna say the brown, but you know those spaghettis, the spaghetti for the kids in the can. You know how that sauce tastes? Tastes kind of like that. This is good, but they could have used a better tasting sauce. The cheese is awesome. The noodles, hey. The more I get into it, I'm getting a little aftertaste in there. Yes, the more The more I get down to the bottom, it has a little aftertaste. Let me try some more. I think you should put this in the oven. Don't microwave it. And another thing, oh, let me see if that's the, oh, the aftertaste is from that ricotta cheese. I couldn't taste that on top. That's what that is. It's that ricotta cheese in the middle. And ricotta cheese has an aftertaste to it. So, if you're not a ricotta cheese lover, pass this one up. But on the top there with that mozzarella, it's delicious on top. I'm just eating on the top right now. So again, my cons are the sauce tasting a little bootleg. The sauce is tasting a little bootleg. That mozzarella with these noodles is on point, y'all. You're getting a nice amount. But once it got down to that ricotta, I'm not really enjoying it that much. I tasted a bit of that aftertaste. I'm saying, what was that? What was that? That ricotta tastes sour. I'm not gonna finish this, but this is my opinion again. If you think you would like this, you try it. Just because I didn't like that ricotta cheese, honey child, doesn't mean that you won't. But after I'm got finished with that top layer, I'm kind of finished with this here. No. The end of my review, y'all. Love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if this is a channel you think you would like, and subscribe. Check me out. Right now I'm doing a lot of food reviews because I am stuck inside, and when I go out I haven't been back to the stores or anything. So once things clear up, then I guess I'll be back to, you know, the other kind of shopping videos and stuff like that. But tell me if you like the reviews. I started this channel as a review channel. That wasn't really my intention, but that's how it started out, and I like doing reviews. So if you can think of something else that you would like for me to review, I like doing the foods. I like reviewing, showing you the clothes and stuff that I buy, but I haven't been shopping for clothes and stuff here lately. But as I go on, you will see I will have different content also for different things, okay? So I love you all. To my subscribers, I love y'all so much. Thank you for sticking with me since 2012. Isn't that beautiful? 2012. So I will talk to y'all later.